How to live stream on Vimeo. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can live stream on Vimeo. So if this is your question, ensure you watch to the end. Okay, the first step is to log in into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen and click on the library option, which is located under home. So after clicking on library, you'll be brought to your libraries page. On this page, move to the top right side where you can see some icons such as upgrade, help, activity, new. Click on new, and in the drop down menu, ensure you select host event. By clicking on host event, you have three options. You can decide to set up from scratch. You can choose the event type, or you can reuse settings. Since you are trying to live stream, just go ahead and click on any of these two. All right, so you can decide to set up from scratch, or you can choose event type. For me, I'll be choosing event type. So the event type is a live broadcast. So ensure you select that, and then scroll down or move down to the bottom right corner and click on the next button. And then the next step will be for you to add your event address. All right, so for me, I'll just leave it as event since this is an example. And so you can add a description. Then you have to schedule a time when is the event starting. All right, and choose a date for the when the event would also end, and the timing. Scroll down, enter in your location. Do you want the link to be private or not? Now this is a demo, so I cannot do anything about it, but for the actual video hosting or live stream, you can actually change it if you want it to be private or public. And so move down to the bottom right corner and click on the create button, and then wait for the page to load. Then once it has loaded, you'll be brought to the page where you can now go ahead to integrate your account. All right, you have to ensure that your camera and your microphone is working, and so you can click on allow and you are good to go. This is how it works. Okay, you can now see that the live stream has started, and then those that you sent the link to can now begin to join in, or you can just move to the top right corner, click on the share link, and then once they join, you can now start your online meeting. So by moving to the left side of the screen, you can edit the live stream the way you also want. So this is it. This is how you can live stream on Vimeo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.